Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the headset and defining your space. Charge the Quest 2 to at least 50%, pair the controllers, and put the headset on briefly to center view. Once done, walk the intended play area and clear a 6FT x 6FT zone, then use the Guardian setup to mark boundaries so you won't trip. Make sure your phone has the Oculus app installed and you're signed in. This speeds app installs and casting. You now fit the headset properly and learn controls so movement feels natural. Adjust the strap and facial interface for comfort, then set the correct IPD by using the physical slider to reduce blur. Once comfortable, press the Oculus button to open the universal menu. Practice using the joystick, trigger, and grip before launching content. Download a short tutorial app or free demo first to practice locomotion, teleport versus smooth movement, and menu navigation, without diving straight into intense gameplay. You're ready to play and fine-tune performance. Begin in seated or standing mode based on the experience and enable comfort options, vignette, snap turn, or reduced acceleration if you feel motion sick. Monitor storage and Wi-Fi, uninstall unused apps and prefer wireless for large downloads and firmware updates. If tracking or controllers drift, rerun Guardian calibration, confirm adequate room lighting, remove reflective surfaces, and reboot the headset. These steps resolve most common issues, so you can get back into the game quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.